Hi everyone. I want to show us how you can use the Google Gemini app to create different kind of professional images. Now I'm on Android, as you can see. So you click on the Google Gemini. Then the next thing you do right now is to add a picture. You can just take any picture because as it is you really need a picture that shows maybe your direct face, as you can see. Let me choose any of these here. This video is going to be very short. So now the next thing is for you to choose to write a prompt. As it is, I'll just keep the exact face. I didn't keep any prompt. Keep the exact face. And let's say outfit. So let's say outfit. Let me say a white singlet. And a blue stock chain, trousers. So let's say pose now. The pose, standing under the beautiful sunshine, folding my arms. And let's say background. Say standing beside an Aston Martin luxury sedan in the desert. Hey, this video is not getting on. Then we generate. So as you can see what we have here. As you can see what we have here. So this is what we have. So then you come up here to save the image. I just circle it. So you come there to save the image. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Yeah, thank you.